Hi guys, Candid Media welcomes you. Today we have a very interesting topic. Thought about drones, revolution of drones and how it is being used today. So hey, let's dig in. First, let's talk about what is a UAV. Wondered? An unmanned aerial vehicle is a drone. It is an aircraft without any human pilot, crew, or passengers on board. The flight of a UAV may operate under remote control by a human operator or with various degrees of autonomy, such as autopilot assistance, up to fully autonomous aircraft that have no provision for human intervention. Drones were originally developed through the 20th century for military missions too. Dull, dirty, or dangerous for humans, and by the 21st, they had become essential assets to most militaries around the world. As control technologies improved and costs fell, their use expanded to many non-military applications. These include aerial photography, product deliveries, agriculture, policing and surveillance, infrastructure inspections, science, and now as air taxi too. The earliest recorded use of drone for warfighting occurred in 1849, serving as a balloon carrier. Significant development of drones started in the early 1900s and originally focused on providing practice targets for training military personnel. At the beginning of 2021, high-tech drones helped Dubai police record to stop various criminal activities. Still liking the video? Press the subscribe button and please keep watching. These drones, which are fitted with top-of-the-line technology and can identify faces using high-resolution video. Now Dubai is using an ultra-level technology and created air taxis. Now you can avoid traffic and its hassles completely by traveling around Dubai. The Emirate has become the first city to introduce drone taxis. The Arabian city of Dubai consistently leads the world in many innovative concepts, and this time they have done it again. Drone taxis, after an occasional sneak peek, a few quiet test runs, and plenty of anticipation, Dubai's unmanned air taxi took to the skies to show revolution in personal air travel is no fad of the futurists. The two-seater capable of transporting people without human intervention or a pilot has been supplied by Volocopter, a Germany-based specialist manufacturer. Powered by clean electricity and featuring low noise levels, the AAT is an environmentally friendly vehicle. Its current prototype version has a maximum flight time of approximately 30 minutes at a cruise speed of 50 km per hour and a maximum airspeed of 100 km per hour. All these features will evolve in the production vehicles. The AAT measures about 2 meters in height, and the diameter of the rotor rim, including propellers, is just over 7 meters. This initiative will certainly set a milestone for urban transportation all over the world. Drone technology is constantly evolving, so future drone tech is currently undergoing groundbreaking progressive improvement. In the UAE, especially in Dubai, scientists have started tackling high temperatures by creating their own rain. Mind-blowing? It's true, my dear friends. Dubai is now using drones that fly towards the clouds and discharge electrical charges to produce rain. Vanguard reported that. The charges cause the clouds to gather to produce rain. Yes, you heard it right. The technique is called cloud seeding and is used to help increase low annual rainfall, and it seems to be working. These cloud seeding efforts are part of an ongoing $15 million project by the United Arab Emirates to generate rainfall in the country. So please write in the comment section if you have a drone and how will you use it, and what facts do you like about drones. Till then, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it. Catch you in the next video. Ma as-salama.